Pogo. Hey, Pogs. What are you doing? Is there anything out the window? Go look. My obedient dog. What's out there? You see anything? No? Okay. Well, you can come down. You want to come down? Is that Paydar going off? Look at my pretty boy. He's so pretty. Yeah, somebody's showing up in the driveway, huh? I wonder who that could be. Uh-oh. Let's go check it out. Since Peaches feels the need. Look, it's Daddy coming in. Yeah, I know. It's an exciting time in our house. Yes. Yes, it is. Oh, is he not coming in? Where is he at? Oh, tell me about it. Tell me. Tell me. Yeah. Back it up. Back it up. And the grading has begun. Oh, did he leave you hanging, P? Did he leave you hanging? Oh, well, go tell him. Tell him. Oh, happy Pays. Happy Pays.